if you want to lengthen a pattern piece, you're first going to need your pattern piece with your lengthen and shorten lines on it. I want to lengthen mine by 1 inch, so I've drawn 2 parallel lines 1 inch apart from each other. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a perpendicular line running through your lengthen and shorten lines on your pattern. Then you're going to cut along your lengthen and shorten line. Once you've completely separated it, you're going to need to stick it down. And I'm going to stick this to the bottom of the 1 inch box, or 1 inch rectangle I should say, that I have drawn. So it's nice and flat. Now I'm going to take my French curve, I'm going to use a straight edge, and I'm going to line up what is essentially the grain line and just draw that line through, and that will help us perfectly match up the remaining piece that we need to stick down. So I've got my perpendicular line there, there and there, so I'm going to make sure they all match up and stick that down. And then once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is true up your side seams. So there's a little bit of a jog in the seam there, so I'm going to use my French curve again and draw a line like that, and then same there. Once you've drawn those lines in, then cut it out, and you've lengthened your pattern piece by 1 inch. The same principle goes if you want to shorten your pattern piece. What you would need to do in that case would be cut through this line, draw a line underneath it 1 inch lower, and then take this piece and move it down so that it was touching the inch line, so you've removed 1 inch of length, and again true up the sides. So it's the same process, just in reverse.